If there's one thing you need to do to make a lot of money in this industry, then it is adding to your winning trades. Like load it up big time when you have a good run. Okay, if it moves your favor, load that shit up. Alright fellas, today was a good day. Like I told you, this is today. You can see this. This is today. Let me show that it's real. So I'm not playing games here, okay? Like I made 1.7 million on gold. Was very patient. Holding this one for more than a week. Last week overall is 1.4 million. And the last month I took a withdrawal of 2.6 million. Not 2.4, it was 2.6 million, okay? And yeah, baby, it's still a real account, okay? So yeah, now let's hop into the video, guys, and enjoy your time. Look at that, guys. Weather is awesome. The sun is about to go down. I'm gonna take some shots on my court. I've ended the trading day with the close on gold. I was holding it from like 1 week or something like that. I started the trade on the 1st of July. Today is the 7th of July. My nephew got birthday today. Yeah, we had a great day today. Closed around 1.7 million on gold. This thing was crazy. Like, I was holding it for like 1 week, like I said. Started to scale in small, and whenever I saw that the market is coming down for pullback, most of the time gold is like it likes to hunt stop losses from the retail trader. So this is a good time to buy into this market, okay? So whenever, like, I've ridden this uptrend for a week, and whenever I saw it came down to a level where people get stopped out, I wanted to get in with some more. That means when I got a good trade running and I feel like it's going my way, I want to add to my position size to maximize my profits on the good runs. Most of the traders are not able to do this. Most of the traders, they add to losing traders. When the market moves against them, they hope that it will come back. So yeah, what I did was scaling up on my winning trade, and this is what you should do as a trader as well if you want to become consistently profitable. It is very important. I mean, it's against human nature, because if you see the profit, normally you want to bank the profit like real quick. But the key in this game is to hold on to these winners, okay, and scale it up when you get a chance to scale it up. Because when a market is moving, if it's trending and you've got a good position on that, and if it keeps moving and moving, you will get a bunch of entries on the way to scale up your size, so that the outcome at the end of the day is much more than you are risking on a normal trade. Like, for example, if you're risking like 2 or 3%, or let's say 1 or 2% on a losing trade, okay, you lose 1 or 2 or 3% on a losing trade. But if you got a winner and you are in that position like big time, then you could make easy like 10%, 20%, 30%. Some of my students, they even doubled their account on one good trade. But it's not easy, because it's trading. Profitable trading is against human nature. Like I said before, when you have a good trade, you want to bank it, but you have to hold on to it and scale it up. Most people they cannot add to winning traders, because they are scared that the trade might come back and the win is gone. And with the losing traders, it's the same thing. They want to hold on to it and hope that it will come back. Maybe they say, oh, I gotta get a price and get in again and again, and they forget about their risk management. I mean, if you split your risk in multiple positions, okay, and you start with a small position, and then you see like you get a better entry, and you still got some risk appetite you can take. I mean, you always need to know where you want to get out if it's moving against you. But if you got some space and it drops some more, you can, of course, you can scale up your position when it's moving against you, but don't hold it forever, like, and don't forget what you're risking. Like, of course, like I said, you can split your entries, and if you gotta get a price, you can get in. But know what you are risking if the trade moves against you and hit your stop. This should not extend your overall risk appetite, okay? But if you got a good trade, yeah, if you got a good trade running and it's coming back, getting some buyers out of the market, for example, then you get in again because you already got a good position. It moves your favor, and it comes back, you get in again, boom, it makes the next move, comes back a little bit, you get in again, and then you ride this thing with a big position size, so you make, at the end of the day, the winners make more money than the losers. And if you can make it like with a 50% accuracy, and you make like 3 times or 4 times or 5 times more than more on a winning trade than when you are on than you make on a losing trade, then you can make a fortune with trading. I mean, trading is a simple concept, okay guys, but it's not easy, guys. Don't forget that it's not easy. It is a simple concept, but it's not easy because you have this mental fight. Like, I mean, it is like, let's say you have a 50% system, and I'm stressing this so much. I talk to my students, I tell all of them, like, let's say you have a 50% system, like in a casino when you play roulette, like black and red. You know, it should be like red, black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red, black. But it's not like that. You have clusters of good luck and clusters of bad luck. Like you have three red ones in a row, 5 black ones in a row. Like you have these clusters of good and bad luck. And what happens with these clusters when it comes to trading? I mean, you no matter how good your system is, you have these bad luck. You have this bad luck, okay? Like you have a losing streak of 3. I mean, most people will give up on their system after 2 losing streaks in a row. They searching for a new system because they think it's not working. Like, okay, so they start checking for another system, try something else. They always chasing what works yesterday, okay? What worked well yesterday. But what happens when you have these clusters of good luck? I mean, the clusters of good luck are much more dangerous than the clusters of bad luck, because if you have bad luck, you're trying to chase another system, and you don't trust your system anymore, and that's fucked up, okay? But if you got a losing streak, if you got a winning streak, like a cluster of good luck, then you feel euphoric, okay? You're pumped up, like you're feeling good. It's good for your health and all that. But as soon as the euphoria kicks in, you got a problem, okay? You got a really, really big problem, because now you start feeling like God, and you think like, okay, let's have a big bet on the next one. Like, let's up our risk. And let me tell you, most people get bankrupt after a cluster of good luck, because they feel like, ooh, I can do everything. I feel like God, and then they lose all their profits, all their money or whatever. And yeah, in trading it is very, very hard to get over this hurdle, to handle these losing streaks and winning streaks. But if you can handle it, and if you can follow your system on a consistent basis, and you have a good system, I mean, there are a lot of great systems for entry and exits on this planet that can work if you have a good risk management, okay? But yeah, most people fuck it up because of this mental game, and it took me a while as well. I mean, I started when I was 16, and I think it took me like like 4 years or 5 years until I really got it, that I was I was acting so emotional about my winners and losers all the time. And yeah, I burned a lot of accounts on the road, you know. But as soon as I start understanding what it's all about, then it goes really fast. Then it goes really fast. If there's one thing you need to do to make a lot of money in this industry, then it is adding to your winning trades. Like, load it up big time when you have a good run. Okay, if it moves your favor, load that shit up. Okay, and if it moves against you, then fuck it, take the loss. But yeah, do it over and over and over again, and let these good trades cook. Okay, let them cook. Like, woo, today I let this gold trade cook for more than a week. And before that, the last 2 weeks, that's why this YouTube channel was so quiet, you know, because I had a big withdrawal with around, I was withdrawing 2.4 million because the weeks before that was amazing, okay? And I felt like, God, this euphoria kicks in, and I was not that focused on my trading game, and I had a few bad runs. And I was over leveraging a little bit too much. Like, I took some trades with 5% risk, which is kind of gambling, and I felt so stupid about it. I mean, yeah, a lot of people watching me as well. I have a big community here, and it's growing from time to time. And yeah, I didn't feel good about it. And yeah, I wanted to make a new video as soon as I got back on my feet. So now I'm back on my feet. I got my money back that I've lost with these stupid mistakes that I'm talking to you about right now. And yeah, now we're gonna smash the markets. Like, yeah, I'm back in the game. Banked 1.7 million on gold today, which is, woo, it tastes good. I like, woo, shit. Yeah, now let's see what the next week's got for us. And I hope that you guys could learn from this video as well, even if there is no charts or anything or any analysis or something like that in this video. But yeah, I hope you can take some notes. Okay, take some notes, and yeah, let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below if you felt this way. I mean, if you have felt this euphoria that starts kicking in. And after that, if you have lost something because you over leveraged, you put too much risk on the table, and then your profits were gone. I want to know that in the comments below. And if you like this video, keep smashing the like button. This helps the channel as well. So yeah, we'll drop a lot more videos in the upcoming weeks. The next video I think will probably be about Peter's story. Peter is a guy from South Africa. He couldn't afford the course, so he had some luck winning a giveaway. I gave him $100 plus the GTU Masterclass course for free, and then he started grinding, and yeah, he flipped $100 into more than 30k in less than 3 months, which is unbelievable, and I never saw anything like that before. He's very disciplined, very good risk manager, and his analysis was on fleek, guys. And yeah, he got his own channel right now in our community. So in the Discord group chat where everybody can talk to each other, he got his own channel where he shares all his knowledge, where he answers all questions, and you should really check it out. Guys, you should really check it out and enjoy your day. I'm gonna grab some pizza today. Have fun, guys. Peace out. Nobody knows, yeah.